Good morning everyone, welcome to your biology class. Today we are going to start with a new topic of biology, that is pollution. So the main objectives we are covering in this video are pollution, pollutants, types of pollution which includes air pollution, types of air pollution and sources of air pollution. So talking about pollution, one of the immediate repercussions of modern civilization is the environmental contamination, which we call in scientific terms the pollution. What is pollution? Pollution is an undesirable change in the physical, chemical or biological characteristics of environment. It is harmful to human life and other organisms. Talking about pollutants, agents causing pollution are known as pollutants. So, type of pollution. So, first of all, we will be discussing air pollution. So, air pollution. Air pollution is the occurrence of foreign particles or gases into the atmosphere which are harmful to man, vegetation, animals and buildings. Air pollution became a major problem only during Industrial Revolution. Types of air pollution. So, air pollution is further classified into two types. First is the gaseous pollution, in which harmful gases are released from various sources into the air. Second is particulate pollution, suspended in air in the form of particles of dust, smoke, etc. So, talking about sources of air pollution. So, what are the different sources of air pollution? First is vehicular exhaust. So, the exhaust gases are produced by the combustion of petrol and diesel in the automobiles. The exhaust given out contain gaseous pollutants like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Even wearing of rubber tires release rubber particles, and speeding vehicles give out lots of dust in the atmosphere, creating air pollution. So, here is the picture depicting air pollution caused by vehicular emissions. So, vehicular emissions releases lots of gaseous pollutants like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide directly into the atmosphere and creating air pollution. So, the next source of air pollution is the industrial waste. A large number of chief industrial gaseous pollutants includes sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, smoke and dust. They are being produced by the industrial complexes like small-scale pottery and carpet weaving units to huge sugar, metal, clothes factories, oil refineries, etc., which gave out all kinds of pollutants. Stone drilling and mining produces fine particles which cause serious health hazards to human life. So, here is the picture depicting industrial waste contributing to air pollution, in which harmful chemicals and various gaseous pollutants like sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfides, etc. are released directly into the atmosphere, contributing to air pollution and causes serious health hazards to human life. Next source of air pollution is the burning garbage. So, burning garbage is a serious threat to air quality. Burning garbage releases many toxic gases, chemicals and metals. The toxic chemicals released during burning includes oxides of nitrogen, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and volatile organic chemicals. One of the most harmful pollutants of garbage burning is dioxin. It is known as carcinogenic, means cancer causing. So, this picture depicting burning garbage is a serious threat to air quality as it releases many toxic gases, chemicals and metals which are cancer causing. Okay, next source of air pollution is brick kilns. In addition to vehicular emission, industrial waste, burning garbage, brick kilns are another biggest source of air pollution. Brick kilns which are fire heated enclosures for making construction bricks, are the source of air pollution. Large quantity of coal is burnt in the brick kilns. The magnitude of the air pollution being caused by these brick kilns is very serious. They contain large quantities of ash and broken brick bits which cause air pollution. So this picture clearly helps us to understand that brick kilns are another biggest source of air pollution. Summarizing, burning of coal and mineral oils which are burnt in houses and factories liberate smoke and the soot. These contaminate air and contributes to air pollution. Thank you.